pelvic floor dysfunction and you're wondering, is there a pill I can take for this thing? Is there a supplement or vitamin I can take? And that's the subject of this video. Stay tuned. All right, so you know you have pelvic floor dysfunction and you're wondering if it's nutritionally addressed. So I want to bring your attention to the fact that your pelvic floor musculature, the lining of this pelvis, I've done a whole video on that. We're going to make sure we put it at the end of this video so you can understand what even pelvic floor dysfunction is. But it's a musculoskeletal system that is compromised in pelvic floor dysfunction. Now, it could be extra pressure on the bladder, it could be extra pressure on the colons. We're not going to get into the structure or the musculature of the bladder or whatever the internal organs are. But in general, for all muscular related issues, there are two main supplements that I strongly recommend. It's not supplements like in a pill, but nutritional additives, if you may. One is excess protein. Now, if you have any conditions that excess protein is contraindicated, well, don't take it. But assuming you don't have any restrictions, excess protein is in forms of protein powder. So we're not saying go have one steak a day and say, well, Dr. Shakib said increase your protein. That's not what we're referring to. Get a scoop of protein powder if you're a vegetarian or vegan. There are some like pea protein out there, but really the most effective type of protein powder is whey protein, which is dairy. You also want to up your intake of vitamin C. For me, my recommendation is take an organic, and that's the key, because red bell pepper is heavily sprayed, so you don't want to eat a non-organic kind. So have one bell pepper, slice it every day, and have the whole bell pepper a day. That will fulfill your intake of vitamin C. It has more than 30 times vitamin C than citrus fruit. So protein and vitamin C are important in any and all musculoskeletal tissue repair. So keep that in mind, because as you're addressing all the other aspects of causes of your pelvic floor dysfunction, you need to think about the nutrition that you need to give to your body to repair some of the damages that are created. If you have any questions, please contact the office and using one of the methods of contact in the description box. If you have not subscribed to the channel, this is your opportunity to do so. Thanks for watching.